Ready, start. The following described immovable property is the subject matter of the suit. It is herein after referred to as the suit property for the sake of brevity. Para. A well constructed shop built with RCC slab being the part of the building situated on Nazul sheet number, plot number, admiring area square meter, having two floors with the rights upon the slab of first floor bounded on dated 24th November 2017, the defendant has entered into a written agreement of sale of the suit property in favor of the plaintiff. By virtue of said agreement, the defendant agreed to execute the sale deed of the suit property by receiving total agreed sale of rupees of the plaintiff. On the day of agreement dated 24th November 2017, the plaintiff paid cash to the defendant and also rupees 12,15,000 by virtue of a check dated 24th November 2017 drawn on the Union Bank of India on the account of the plaintiff. As such, the total amount of the sale of the suit property which is agreed at is already paid by the plaintiff on the very day of the agreement of sale to the defendant. It is agreed amongst the plaintiff and the defendant that the defendant will execute the sale deed of the suit property on or before dated 20th December 2017. Para. It is submitted that on the day of execution of agreement of sale, the property was mortgaged with the State Bank of India, branch Achalpur, for the amount of loan taken by the defendant. Therefore, the total amount of sale is to the recorded paid to the defendant the very day of the agreement of the sale so as to make him unable to get redeem the suit property by paying off all the dues to the said bank. So the defendant has to perform his part of that agreement by paying off all the dues of a loan and by getting redeem the suit property from the bank and by executing the sale deed thereof in favor of the plaintiff. Para. It is submitted that on the very day of the agreement of sale, the defendant put the plaintiff into the possession of the suit property and thereby allowed the plaintiff to take its use. The plaintiff agreed to bear all the expenses for execution of the sale deed of the suit property in his favor in the month of within jurisdiction of his this honorable court. Full stop.